Hello everybody. This is the beginning of a new series of videos where I will be re-restoring my Thunderbolt Siren. Let's have a look at it. We'll ignore the fact that it's very dirty right now. I believe it rained last night or something. Yeah. But under all this dirt, it looks okay, but just things like this, I don't know if you could see it on video, dripping paint, and things like this as well. All sorts of imperfections, especially here. And this is not paint falling out, it's just dust, but you know, over here there's actually paint that came off. So, when I got this thing a few years ago, you know, I didn't really know what I was doing. I'm surprised I got it to even work, let alone look semi-decent. But, you know, ever since then I've gained a lot of knowledge. And yeah, this has been repainted. I have repainted it a few times. The first time, actually, I wasn't the one who painted it. My dad did. Because, yeah. But, you know, I have repainted it. Basically, well, the paint job wasn't good because we used crappy paint. We had, on here, when I was painting this black, this cap black, I taped up this whole area. When I took it off, some paint fucking came off with it. That's, you know, it was just, you know, spray paint, so, water-based as well. It was Rust-Oleum 2 times Ultra Cover. Anyways, then I repainted it with some other paint that was not matching. Then I repainted the whole thing in a rush, and it was humid, and I could just peel off the paint with my, you know, with my fingers. Then I repainted it again, and that's the current paint job that we have over here. But there are other problems as well. First of all, I'm missing screws. These panels, this is actually, I think, the nicer of the two panels. Let me get it out real quick. It's a little bent up. That's no biggie. So you could see it's pretty rusty over here. And actually, recently, I started to notice a leak from the gear reducer. And also, I never painted underneath. Just, you know, all sorts of things. It's functional. Everything here functions, but something could be done about this. So, this is the start. Where are we now? The first thing we're gonna do is remove the horn. Beautiful.